well. Thank you.
श्री प्रभाकर रेड्डी जी।
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to speak to the House today on the very important banking subject, madam. As the House is aware, banks play an important role and it is part of our life. As the House is aware, banks plays in future there is need to set up more banks, financial institutions, including corporate banks in rural areas also to meet the various demands for the people from the agriculture business to meet the financial inclusions. In the past, our country has great bank track records, but nowadays is the since the general public have lost confidence among the banks due to the policies adopted by the government. There is need to restore the confidence of the general public on the banks. As the House is aware, the banks are the backbone of the development in the various sectors and the overall growth of the nation, from the industries to the employment, and the provide the invaluable. Providing more power of the RBI regulating cooperative banks in the welcome steps to the backdrop of Punjab, Maharashtra cooperative banks, scam, yes banks, scam and other banks, bad experiences. There is need to bring cooperative banks and the non-banking financial institutions also on par with the developments in the banking sector through better management and the proper regulation of the cooperative banks to ensure that affairs the cooperative banks have conducted the manner that protects the interest of the depositors of the strengthen the nation economy also. Another major serious problem of the cooperative credit bank is the overdue loans of the cooperative banks, which have been continuously in interesting of the years, which is not corrected. Large amounts of overdues restrict the recycling of the funds and the adversely affected in the lending and borrowing capacity of the banks. It is better if RBI can supersede consolations with the state government if any cooperative banks in under stress. Need to strengthen the cooperative banks by the increasing professionalization, in balancing excess capital, improving the governance and the ensuring sound banking through the Reserve Bank of India. Audit all banks may be made from time to time. With these few words, would be like to conclude my speech. We are supporting the bill, madam.
धन्यवाद। चलिए।